This is a final video to fix the no sound problem in Threads videos once and for all. Are you tired of watching videos on Threads only to find out there is absolutely no audio coming through your speakers? This annoying glitch usually happens because the latest update messed up how the app talks to your phone system, or your saved cache files got corrupted during the install. You might have noticed that most solutions on YouTube or social media are way too confusing, way too long, or just plain hard to follow for a normal person. Here at Rexish, we know you just want your app to work again without the headache. That is why I have found 4 proven methods to fix this sound issue, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if your app seems totally broken right now. You should pause the video right now to try these methods one by one, or take quick screenshots so you do not miss a single detail. I will not waste your time with long explanations because these 4 secret techniques get straight to the point. Every single one of these steps targets a different part of the app settings to ensure the volume returns to normal immediately. Follow the method step by step exactly as they show on the screen right now to get your sound back.